Hey, Apex traders. How are you guys doing today? Hopefully having a wonderful day, getting your accounts growing and or funded. Lots of new accounts over the weekend for the Apex program. Glad to see a lot of you people joining on. A lot of traders taking advantage of the sale. Great to see. It makes for a more active environment for all of us, right? Everyone in the community, especially the funded account community. Whether you're with Lilu, Apex, Top Step, any one of Earn to Trade, any one of those. Um, These markets are very volatile and make for a great trading environment. Okay, what a wonderful time it is to be a trader. So much opportunity and so much activity today, or recently, especially today. Today was one of those days. So if you did not see today's drop, we wanted to go ahead and go over today's trades a little bit. We were trading our two yellow bar formation, which we have been discussing here in these videos each and every single day. If you want to know what the game plan on the day was, go back and watch the analysis video. Lots of good action in there. Lots of good analysis in there. We were dead on with the drop today, and we were able to catch that for some great trading, both at work and in our personal accounts. Now, on this Apex account, actually had a red day. Was much larger red. Had a bit of an error with the copier system, so went ahead and adjusted the error, and then spent the rest of the day with the good trades, making that back. So ended up closing the day. Oh boy, there's a lot of accounts, so we'll have to go through those. Okay, so the 300K big account, that one was red $675. That one was initially red 3,400, I believe it was. So 3,400 red in that account to start the day, with some errors on the copier system. It was our fault. Actually made an adjustment yesterday. If you guys saw yesterday's video, we traded a different account and forgot to make the adjustments back. So ended up throwing us for a loop and a whole lot of errors, which is good. Use us as for the experience, and then that way we can go ahead and show you guys the errors that we made. So that was this error, 3,400 red to start the day. Went ahead and caught the two yellow bar setups on the way down and some nice shorts, and that brought us back to $675 red on the day. So not bad. Overall, would have been a good day had it not been for those errors. And in the small account challenge, that one was $100 green today. In the 25K number one, that one was $237.50 green today. 25K account number two is $87.50 green today. And 25K account number three, that one is $50 green today. So like I said, a lot going on, right? We have a total of 6 accounts trading currently. That's just for this Apex small account. Everything with YouTube related, right? And we also have the personal accounts plus work accounts. So busy here. But makes for great opportunity, great analysis, keeps us on our toes and busy for all of you guys. So let's go ahead and do a quick review and let's see what today's action was like. Alright, that's the SPY. We just finished up with the analysis video there. Now let's pull up the Apex side. Okay, so here's the Apex Trader scripts that we use. Okay, this is our custom script and the way we trade these Apex accounts. Okay, this is the one that's available on our site for all you guys, along with the automated trading bots and all the other scripts depending on what type of trader that you are. But for this two yellow bar play, we started the day with the overnight analysis. So up here gave us some key information and some key closes. That told us we had a big potential of dropping today. Okay, and we had discussed that bright and early in the morning analysis for the members. So that kind of gave us an outlook and outlay for the day on how we were going to go ahead and trade that. So up until that point, we were looking at this bar here, give us our two yellow bar play. Let's get rid of these, not needed for this video, but that way you guys can see it cleanly. So two yellow bar play we were looking for. You guys have been watching these videos, you know what that is. First yellow bar, we set our thresholds, which is populated up here for ourselves and all the members. Okay, it automatically populates all the data. So that gives us our 2 yellow bar play. Went ahead and tried that trade here on this yellow bar. Right, we were against thresholds. We were in nice formation for the 2 yellow bar to play. Ended up getting stopped out, and for a, I believe it was 500 loss overall. Managed out of that a little bit, so it ended up being like a $500 loss there for that first 2 yellow bar play. Then went ahead and we usually reset the system somewhere throughout midpoint of the day. We've learned that lesson through NinjaTrader. Sometimes the connection gets lost. So went ahead, reset, came back online, waited for the next 2 yellow bar play, which was the next one. So now at this point, the SPY had closed the 2 15-minute candles below that we were looking for. Didn't trade none of this. And then right here, down here, we actually did trade this one. We were looking for this for a yellow bar formation to get started. We're going to look for some type of reversion based off of this 39.75.75, which puts us near there, 399.40 on the SPY. See if we get some type of reversion. Ended up getting a long, a little bit early before the yellow bar. Anticipated that a bit. Got stopped out, wicked out right there. That went ahead and put us red 2,400, something like that. Then right here, wanted to start looking for a short. Once we saw that forming and the way that formed, told the members, okay, this is going to be a great short. This is going to be an amazing opportunity, and it's going to go ahead and dump down. Right around here is where we started to get that 60-minute close on the SPY we were looking for. That told us all that we need to know for the trade to occur. Now, what we did is went ahead and got short here, and unfortunately had an error with the adjustments. So still have to learn with that copier, and I'll show you guys what that is. Here, let me pull that up real quick. So here is, anytime you, and I know I've discussed this in these videos before, anytime you're messing with the master account, which is this one over here, right? If you mess with the orders or adjust it here, or behind this little black box that you guys see, there's a little adjustment window that you have to change on the account type, along with down here on your DOM side. Okay, you have to change that back to how it was previously to making any previous changes. So you can see here we have the J9 trailing and then the J9 one, 2 different order types, just in case whatever setup we're seeing, we want to trade larger, we want to trade smaller, different type of trailing stops, etc. So what we did is went ahead and entered on this one, then made the adjustment after that previous trade over to this one. And when that occurred, it went ahead and made a mistake on the follower accounts, which is this one and the 2 that are off screen. Ended up taking the trade over there. So that was where that green came from on those 25K accounts. So that was by pure luck. That was not supposed to occur. Realized the error, went ahead, quickly got out, and prepped again for the larger short. That was where we went ahead and let's pull up the trading screen again. So that was right here. Went ahead and got lucky, got with that fill, and got a short right in here. I was able to ride that down, but at this point we were already red in that larger account, the 300K account. We were red like 3,400, whatever the largest part of the red day today was, 3,400 or so, and just rode this baby short down. Was unable to grab the size. Wanted to, so it would have been a massive day today. Just very unfortunate with all the beginning errors on the day, but part of human nature. You're going to make mistakes. So didn't panic, didn't make no irrational decisions. Just rode that short per the size we had. I think only had 5 contracts on this one, and then took some profit, reloaded, and then took some more profit. Was taking profits a little bit quicker since we were already red on the day, and only was able to hold that last one piece. So I ended up selling the last one here. You can see the big move that occurred. Then same thing, 2 yellow bar formation started to form. Got some of this long right here. Took that long, exited, same thing, a bit quicker. Was looking for that to fail. And this put us between these two. I think we were like 1,400 red on the day. Went ahead, went to lunch, let this fail, let this come on below, and then right here started to see another good one come in. Right, SPY had a 392, or no, 392.45 was the actual number. Said if we do not print that, we'll be looking for a reversion upwards. So as soon as we saw our 2 yellow bar play, same thing. We set the thresholds, which at this time was something like this. Those are not exact because the numbers are off now, because now we're working off of this one. But if you've been watching these videos, you know what those are. We set the threshold here. Second yellow bar, went ahead and got long. Took some profits, reloaded, took some more profits, held a piece, and we said that if it does print the SPY 392.45, then this baby is going to go lower. We want no part of that. So actually right here in this candle, SPY ended up printing that 392.45, and we went ahead and took the rest of the piece off, and that brought us down to $645 red on the day. And sure enough, popped up, and there was the fail. So would have got stopped out anyways. If you guys have the indicator, you guys have our systems, then you know what this purple line is. That is structure. So looks like the read was correct. Once structure was broken, tells you you're going lower. So overall, great day. Not bad. Made a little bit of human errors. That's okay. All the other accounts are green besides that 300K, which is $645 red. No big deal. Make that back in a jiff. So we'll be back at it tomorrow, hopefully with more opportunity and more wild action. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos and enjoying the content. See you guys in tomorrow's video. Later, guys. Oh, always almost forget. So here's the screen, so you can see $100 in the small account challenge. You guys remember that one? We started that. That one's doing pretty well, actually very well. And the 25K account number 2 is this one, or not, number 2 is this one. So $237.50 today in that one. That one's almost funded. A couple more days we'll have that one funded through Apex as well. 25K account number 3 is this one, $87.50, and 25K account number 4 is this one, $50 today. Again, those two were by error, just lucky greens, is the way the copier system ended up working out. And then here is that 300K account, the new one that we just started this past Monday. So that one is $675 red on that one. And then here is the new funded PA account. So performance account, for those of you that did not see the videos, we did get a funded 300K account. That is that one. Have not touched that one yet. So we'll be looking to trade that one this week at some point. That one's going to be a nice and slow growth. We got big plans for that one. So I'm not going to be pushing heavy on that one. Just looking for $500 to $1,000 a day or so once we start touching that one. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and see you in tomorrow's video. Later, guys.